If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First. Metal, there is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or
pick it up at Josephine Bookshop, Book to the Nation, 8 Uguta Road, opposite DMGS Onisha. Call 080-3338-2643 or 080-3791-7242.
Go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579.
Oh boy, yeah, that party last week no be here oh. As we ballin', e get the kind sweet aroma wey go pass your nose. You go know say na decency spices na im dey use cook am oh. Whether you wan cook fish, meat, jollof, stew, spaghetti or even party jollof, no matter wetin you wan cook, make sure say you get decency spices for hand. Decency get decency dry onion spice used for cooking stew, decency white onion spice used for cooking sauce and jollof. If you dey do party nko, use decency bay leaf for your party jollof. If you want bake cake, puff and other snacks, use decency nutmeg for bakery and snacks. Decency get decency chicken seasoning used for cooking stew, spaghetti and jollof. Decency get all-purpose seasoning used for cooking meat, sauces, jollof and stew. Omo, your party no go complete without decency spices so, and e dey for any market or shop wey near you. No forget say decency get head office for shop B29/22 Obaro Main Market, Okpoko, Anambra State. Call us on 080-6323-7897 or 070-3223-1540.
Is a building material international market and a building international market.
What do you sell?
I deal on water hose, rakes, ropes, belts, keys as well as nuts and
What about zinc?
Prices for most of these items you mentioned. Like water hose, it has various sizes. The cutter is sold for 17,000, 1 inch for 21,000, and 1 cutter for 45,000. Then for the elastics, you have the ones of 2,000, 5,000, depending on the quantity.
Okay.
And you get it.
Okay. Now, most of these items you mentioned, how are they gotten? Like, what you cut this off locally or internationally?
There are being sold by locally. Just the local goods.
Right. Now, talking about emphasis on local goods, how do you differentiate original from the fake?
We that buy, we can tell you that this is original and this is fake, depending on where it's coming from. Just like the water hose, we have the ones made in China. By their weights, carrying a particular size, but one made in Nigeria and one made in China. The weight you tell that this is China and this is Nigeria.
So is it now talking about the weight, because I really want to, I am interested in that as well, so when I want to purchase. Now, would I say the one that is weightier is more original than the one that is light? So let's just get that clear distinction on.
Just like I said, let's just say we believe that the China has more superior, like in the cost aspect now, which I'm trying to emphasize on. If a China hose is being laid here, a car can actually ride over it. There will be no fear.
Okay.
But the Nigerian hose, maybe we have 2 or 3 running.
Let's talk about challenges in the business. What are your challenges? Let's just highlight a couple of them.
Okay, now we're actually in the rainy season, so the rain itself is really making customers not to
patronize us as usual. And funnily now, some goods are actually dropping in prices heavily. You can actually buy today at the so and so price. By tomorrow morning, it goes lower than you're expecting to get.
Okay.
Alright. So besides that, any other thing you feel we should know? Is there anything you feel the government also should be part of, in assisting those of you here at the market?
Actually, first of all, the thing is that our market head is really trying for us here within everything is being done in a very organized way. We try to make sure that substandard goods is not circulating that much, because some people might actually buy, let me say, meal, and they try to remove some. So it has been announced that people should stop doing that. Buy and sell. Even if you're going to sell at a high price, make sure that it's full. It's the same quantity that came in that you're saying, instead of trying to reduce the quantity and still selling at a particular price.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay, so go on as a fagigo. Okay, can I have your eye on your cat?
I know building market, international market.
Okay, so Caroline, I know your cat.
I know
D line. Divine favor line. Okay, Kedo afio Keyo Nazugasiaba.
I know support to see here. I know hose, it's a 1 million. I know shovel. I know keys, I know padlocks.
Okay. Yeah, gas. Okay, so after down now, because Kedo Kunsi and Watia, one and Watia na local, one and Watia international.
For the new I
know. Okay. So Kedo Kunsi and man Kebunke, Zibo and Kebunka Aja.
I want to with the Canadian water hose. 1 inch. Ibunite, you will take 1 inch cable can buy, 1 inch cable can aluminium. For Ora, go see annual lawyer waggy, Nanka, in case you
okay.
Okay.
Ngwano, Kedo Afion Nazo. Here, Bastalo foreign exchange, like dollar to naira. On our affect Afion Nazo, Keduko say affect. Okay. Ngwano apart of onwelo ihe na agbalo unu mgba na ebe agasi ye na afigasyon na alu unga achọ ka gọọmenti tinye anya ya
dịka afia building material dị na ọsọ nke nọ ya ka mmiri onye isi afia anyị na-agba mbọ ọ na-agba mbọ ịma na ọ bụrụ ụfọdụ afia ndị abụ na-agarị na ana ego dị iche iche na afia ya ori ya nwa ihe ọbụla a na-eme tupu emebi ya ụzọ kwuo jụọ onye isi anyị ajụ ndị ahụ ebe ka o so n'izuru ụlọ enenye ya bụ ihe a na-achọ itinye nọ ya adabakwa ọ bụrụ na ọ dabara na enecha ya ọ bụrụ n'ihe a ga-eme ma na a ga-enwe ụfọdụ ndị agha kpụkwasị nọ ndị a bụ ihe ga na-afụ ka osoro ya ka onye ike na-aga ka ghara inwe nghọtasị na alụbọ obodo ya.
Okay. Ngwano, kedu ihe nga achọ ka gọọmenti melụ ụnụ ihe na-agba ụnụ mgbakọ nga achọ ka gọọmenti bịa adreses ya?
N'uche nke m ọ bụ ọtụtụ ihe mana nke mbụ bụ na anyị na-akwụ ụgwọ ọkụ n'afịa na ama m na anyị na-enwelukwa ọkụ ugboro 2 afọ abụọ anyị na-akwụ ụgwọ ọkụ ọ dịkwa mma anyị na-akwụ ụgwọ ọkụ na-akwụgwọ nsepụ mana nke bụ ọkụ kwesịrị ịpụta n'ahịa adịghị ahụ ụgwọ ọkụ ama na-ebu ndị onye na-agbagharị akwụsị ụgwọ ahụ na-ada akwụkwọ ọkụ.
Thank you so much.
Oh boy, that party last week no be here oh. As we ballin, e get the kind sweet aroma wey go pass your nose. You go know say na decency spices na im dey use cook am o. Whether you wan cook fish, meat, jollof, stew, spaghetti or even party jollof. No matter wetin you wan cook, make sure say you get decency spices for hand. Decency get decency dry onion spice used for cooking stew. Decency white onion spice used for cooking sauce and jollof. If you dey do party nko nkwo. Use Decency bay leaf for your party jollof. If you want bake cake, puff puff, and other snacks, use Decency nutmeg for bakery and snacks. Decency get Decency chicken seasoning used for cooking stew, spaghetti, and jollof. Decency get all-purpose seasoning used for cooking meat, sauces, jollof, and stew. Your party no go complete without Decency spices, and e dey for any market or shop way near you. No forget say Decency get head office for shop B29/22 Obaro Main Market, Okpoko, Anambra State. Call us on 080-6323-7897 or 070-3223-1540.